What's going on, everybody? Bulldog Gaming here, coming to you from the truck. Welcome back to the channel. I know the mod spotlight that came out today was kind of different for the gaming side of things, but I want to start off with the Thank a Trucker, Help a Trucker page and get some recognition on that going for anybody willing to help or know where we can get help. We're starting our week and we don't even have the load information punched in yet. This kind of sucks. So, a moment, if you will. Forgot where I was going, but get around this corner here because I'm not really paying attention to the road. Going to pick up our first load for the week, for this week. And my GPS is clock is about to go off.
You have the transition from the RD bonding status to a driving duty status.
A lot of uncertainty going on in this world. But one of the biggest things we ask that you do is, like in the mod spotlight video, we ask that if you know of any information to go to hashtag Thank a Trucker, hashtag Help a Trucker on Facebook. Post the information, no bogus stuff. Or put the information in the comments below on any of my videos. I'll surely get that shared over to the group. That way, in this crazy time, we know where to go, where we can get what we need for food, shower, rest, and necessities. But any help would be greatly appreciated right now. And you don't even have to have information on anything. If you just want to help and say thank you to a trucker, where the truckers can hear you say thank you, you can go to the page and say thank you. It was a good weekend. I hope everybody else's weekend was good. I know we all feel like a bunch of shut-ins with this social distancing. That way we can help not spread COVID-19. I know for sure I had a lot of fun with the family, hanging out, doing things around the house. We did go out and do a little bit of Pokemoning, but we weren't out in the middle of everything to, socialize with anybody else. We pretty much just, we're pretty much going on with our life, the way it is. Some new things are going to be changing here in the future, work-wise. And I know I keep telling you this every now and then through some of my videos, but things are going to be changing work-wise. So look forward to that. Here on the channel, things are going to pretty much stay the same the way that they are going in the direction that I'm going with it. Over on Twitch, pretty much going to be staying the same over there for the time being. And just seeing how the outcome happens, where we sit in the next 30 to 90 days. So we are preparing for the worst, hope for the best. And here on the channel, every subscriber here on the channel is like family, because I get to speak to you through the channel. And the same with over on Twitch, because I get to interact with you a lot more. Excuse me. Over on my Facebook Live page, Bulldog Gaming Live, it's the same thing. I get to interact with people, so you're like an extended family. So I'm always concerned how everything's going with you, and making sure that y'all are okay, how you're handling things. I know, and if some parents are ready to pull their hair out, and it's only been 2 weeks, not even 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks since a lot of the states have closed school for the time being. Where I live in Kansas, they're done to the end of they're not done, but the school itself is closed till the end of the school year. And then from there, we don't know. But basically, it's homeschooling. And that's the way it is here in the state of Kansas. One of the parents or somebody that's trusted, ends up being the teacher. And to some, it can be very, very frustrating. And to others, it blessing in disguise. So, around my house, it's both. It's frustrating, but a blessing in disguise. It's one of those things. So I'm going to close. Stay safe travels. We'll catch you on the flip. And good Lord, take care of each other. Wash your hands.